Welcome to Study Point Online. Here we are discussing some important questions of computer basics. Our first question is, what is a light pen? Given options are A. Mechanical input device, B. Optical input device, C. Electronic input device, D. Optical output device. So our correct answer is option B. Optical input device. Our next question, BCD is, given options are A. Binary coded decimal, B. Bit coded decimal, C. Binary coded digit, D. Bit coded digit. So our correct answer is option A. Binary coded decimal. Our next question is, ASCII stands for, given options are A. American Stable Code for International Interchange, B. American Standard Case for Institutional Interchange, C. American Standard Code for Information Interchange, D. American Standard Code for Interchange Information. Our correct answer is option C. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Our next question is, which of the following is first generation computer? Option A. EDSAC, B. IBM 1401, C. CDC 1604, D. ICL 2900. So here correct answer is option A. EDSAC. Our next question, chief component of first generation computer was, given options are A. Transistor, B. Vacuum tube, C. Integrated circuits, D. None of above. So our correct answer is option B. Vacuum tube. Our next question is, Fortran is, given options are A. File translation, B. Format translation, C. Formula translation, D. Floppy translation. So our correct answer is option C. Formula translation. Our next question, WPROM stands for, given options are A. Electrically erasable programmable read-only memory, B. Easily erasable programmable read-only memory, C. Electronic erasable programmable read-only memory, D. None of the above. So our correct answer is option A. Electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. Our next question, second generation computers were developed during, given options are A. 1949 to 1955, option B. 1956 to 1963, option C. 1965 to 1970, option D. 1970 to 1990. So our correct answer is option B. 1956 to 1963. Next question, the computer size was very large in first generation, B. Second generation, C. Third generation, D. Fourth generation. So our correct answer is option A. First generation. Our next question, microprocessors are switching devices are for, microprocessors as switching devices are for which generation computers? Given options are A. First generation, B. Second generation, C. Third generation, D. Fourth generation. So our correct answer is option D. Fourth generation.